Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about drop shipping. I am going back to doing drop shipping because I absolutely love this process. So now, instead of doing just eBay or Amazon, you can now do this on Facebook Marketplace. How cool is that? You're probably already on Facebook Marketplace, so why not make money while you're there? So I've been selling on Facebook Marketplace for probably about 2 years now, and I do everything from the home. So I would just have people come and pick it up, meet them in my clubhouse, and then sell my products. So it was simple and easy, but I've always loved drop shipping. I've been doing drop shipping with eBay for probably about 15 plus years. Absolutely loved it. It was fun, it was extra money, and it allowed me to grow my income from the comfort of my home. So I had some problems, and eBay changed their policies, their terms and conditions. So one of the things I just learned is you can use Zeedrop to go ahead and do the exact same things we used to do with anything like 𝗬grid and other opportunities that would automatically post for you and take that information directly, put it into your eBay or wherever you were posting. So I want to show you this new drop shipping. It may not be new, but I mean, everything pretty much with Facebook Marketplace drop shipping is pretty new. So take it slow, monitor it, and let's start learning how we can make this work. Down below will be my link, so just go ahead and click on the link. Make sure to put my name, Leah, I believe will be the code. I'm just waiting on that information to come back to me, but that will be down below. So right here is the new generation of dropshipping. Lister and monitor to Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, Poshmark, and Mercury. So I do a couple of those, and I think I might get into a little bit of Etsy. I heard that's absolutely amazing platform to sell products. Also, Mercury, I think that's how you say it, Mercury, has been one that is very popular also. So, great way just to get started. Click on that and you can get going. So, you can also upload from all these different websites. So, really, depending on where you want to source your products, is an easy way for the system to upload and automatically take from this website and put it into Facebook Marketplace. So my favorite one used to be Sam's Club. Sam's Club, I believe, no longer will allow you to drop ship from them, but Costco looks like it's still available to drop ship. So you have many opportunities, and here you can just find one that works really well for you, maybe is nearby so you can see what kind of products they have, or just use their online. Overstock is absolutely amazing to drop ship from. Wayfair, Walmart, you can go to the Etsy shop itself and find products there. You can go to eBay Direct, you can do Amazon. Home Depot is amazing. They do coupons and all kinds of stuff. So I'm hoping to do more training. I absolutely love this idea. It is my favorite. I'll go ahead and add this video right after this one so you can see how quick and easy it is. And I will start uploading my products as soon as I get in. So you can upload unlimited products from a lot of Facebook or a lot of suppliers into the Facebook Marketplace. Here's a little tutorial. You can upload products from Amazon, eBay, Walmart, CJ to Etsy with variations. You can copy and paste from Facebook to Amazon, Walmart, eBay, Bed Bath & Beyond, and use those coupons. It's awesome. So it gives you a lot of opportunity right here. I will be learning more about this. And if you have a private website with WooCommerce, you can go ahead and do that also. Down below gives you a free Megacell Boot, amazing research tool to find winning products, create templates. You support the US, UK, looks like Canada, and I'm not sure what that one is. Create multiple listings with one variant. So Amazon, Walmart, eBay, and I still do eBay today. So looking forward to seeing how this works. A VA can use Zeedrop without being connected to your Facebook. How cool is that? So you can hire a VA to go ahead and do the work for you. one click to renew all your items, a bulk price change, Zeedrop fixed tags, and monitor and get notifications. So you can do it for a free trial for 7 days, and then it's $12.99 per month. And all you have to do is go ahead and get started. So we'll scroll back up to the top here. It is a download. It is a Chrome extension that'll pop up in the top right-hand corner of your Chrome section. And it looks like there's so much more to learn. I just wanted to do a quick little showing of Zeedrop, and what you can do is start selling and drop shipping from the Facebook Marketplace. So I will be doing more videos teaching you more what I learned from this, and it looks like they have a ton of information, so definitely gonna dig my heels into all this information and learn more. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help you out, and I will see you on my next video. Make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so that you'll get notified on my next training. See you when I get logged in, and see you on the next video. Thank you for your time, and bye for now.